In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stitch to Google Antigravity with MCP. By the end, you'll have Stitch set up as an MCP server inside Google Antigravity so your agent can securely access it whenever needed. Start by opening Google Antigravity in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want this connection to live. Once you're in, glance up to the top right of the interface for the agent controls. Click the three dots menu in that corner. This overflow menu is where the advanced settings are tucked away. If you're on a smaller screen or a compact window, expand or maximize it so the menu is visible and easy to click. From that overflow menu, choose MCP servers. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is the secure bridge Antigravity uses to connect your agent to external tools and services without exposing your credentials. The page you land on lists all available connectors along with anything you've already configured so you can manage them in one place. Use the search bar to type Stitch. You should see the Stitch integration appear in the results. Click it to open the details pane. Take a moment to review what this connector does and what information it needs to operate. When you're comfortable, click Install. Antigravity may prompt you to confirm permissions so the agent knows the exact capabilities it's being granted. Review and approve to continue. Next, you'll generate the credential Stitch requires. Open a new browser tab and go to stitchwithgoogle.com settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct Stitch account with access to the data you intend to use. On the settings page, click Create Key. This generates a secure key Antigravity will use to authenticate to Stitch on your behalf. Treat this key like a password. Store it safely and keep it private. If you're asked to name the key or set scopes, choose a clear descriptive name for future reference and grant only the minimum access your workflows truly need. Copy the new key, then return to the Antigravity tab where the Stitch MCP configuration is open. Paste the key into the provided field and click Save. Antigravity will validate the key and store it securely. You should now see the Stitch connector marked as active or connected. If an error appears, double-check that the key was copied exactly, without extra spaces, and confirm it hasn't been revoked or expired. If needed, you can create a fresh key in Stitch and try again. That's it. You've connected Stitch to Google Antigravity with MCP, enabling your agent to use Stitch through a secure, token-based connection. For ongoing security, rotate keys periodically and remove any you no longer need to keep your workspace clean and safe.